Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? The boy Sanus came in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Walk on, peeps. Are we there with that?
Big up the girl, my credit.
Bitch, what?
Why you do it, John Cross?
Banger! But as usual, guys, right before we get on it,
Bruh.
y'all are chat foolishness. But as that bad. But as usual, guys, right before we get in it, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps. That one you shot today, but as me say, I'm gonna try keep the pot bubbling. You know what I mean, as best as possible for you know. And thing, a week you kinda slow, but hey man, me I try my best. Is it? Just like up the video them and share up the video them and watch the ads them. Yeah. But anyway, peace. Ready for the first one now. Make we kick it off.
You're mad. Yeah, man, you're mad, man. Look. Candy wow to Bumbo Clock. No, she want dead today. I candy wow. Wow, not dead today, wow. No dead today, wow. You're mad, not dead. Not dead today. Beat it again. Beat it again. Wow. 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 Beat it. You're mad. Yeah, man, you're mad, man. Look. People there. Candy wow to Bumbo Clock. No, she want dead today. I candy wow. Wow, not dead today, wow. No dead today, wow. You're mad, not dead. Not dead today.
Wow. Alright, here are peeps. Based from how I hear on the streets, it's just a bag of things happen. I've heard say whole heap of people try to help that lady, but she just hooked on today. You know what I mean? The diet coke, you know? Yeah, she not stop. You know? She a say people are rob her too and all them thing there. I hear that people try to help her too. I don't know if nobody want to help her or carry her go to a place make them help her so she can come round. Jano Star remember when Candy wow, I tell her like, yeah, when she did just bus and she just drop a road star and she did. For my first time I see the video when she had the wine thing there, but still, me not tell no like she Jano, she just wants some help still. You know what I mean? The addiction to the diet coke star, it just mash up her meds. The woman in her road that said she want dead dog. Jano. So please, if somebody can help her or bring her go to the place because she just hooked on that thing the star. I wonder about the people them around her, like our family them or our friend them, like if nobody never there look out for her, you know what I mean? Or maybe she just stubborn and no wanna help. When you see what happened a while ago? You know see that boy there front cause it. Them people there front. If you don't watch, if you don't carefully and see the video properly, the brother at the front at bunks. The bag of people them in front. The man with the coffin a push. The guy at the front who carry the casket a push the man and say go on. But then again, what kind of little full bridge that though? You know have a funeral, nobody never 45.
Okay, who else? Popcaan. Y'all want to talk about Popcaan?
Oh.
Who the fuck is Popcaan?
He's a Canadian rapper. So like Drake.
Yes, I
Yeah,
love you too.
is he signed to OVO? Yeah,
I
think he's
think so.
signed to OVO.
I don't know,
He
but let
not
me
that
tell you
poppin',
something. You
like-
played me trying to act like you was going with that other bitch, and you know you wanted this squirt.
Why you do it, John Cross?
Popcaan. Never know you're Canadian.
Who's the better cook? Who's the funniest? Who would you rather hang out with? If you're driving, who rides in the front seat? Who do you think loves you the most? Who do you love the most? I know you.
Oh!
Master break. I'm going. Man, mother gear. Man, I'm gear, bro. I'm going. Yeah, ramping. Me like the mother there.
Agua clara que llueve del cielo. Te quiero porque quiero que me quieras, porque como tú no hay nadie más que me
Oh!
quiera.
10 seconds later.
Them gal ya wicked, them wicked, them wicked. Them gal ya wicked, them wicked, them wicked. I don't know how them so wicked. Why them so wicked?
Alright, peeps. I hope you enjoyed that little short one there, as I said. And then a whole heap content kind of dry up that week here. Well, what me think Ununa like still. You know what I mean? And you know, so the politics thing kind of cool down, you know. Still, and enough things are going on. I know, so enough I want to love the politics thing and certain video. Me know my audience, but you know, me will try some other things. Yeah, let me know, peeps. But if you guys have any video you want to send to me, I'm gonna put the Sinus Gaming WhatsApp number down here. Yeah, down there, so in the comment section, I'm gonna pin it so you can send it to it and me react to it. I love that too. Me need no help. So if you have no video, I'm see say appropriate on YouTube now go hit me down with no strike or nothing like that. Yeah, cause enough videos me can put up, you know, but some of them me can't put them up. If you get me, enough video there for put up, but some me can't put them up cause a YouTube and them strictness. But yeah, my thoughts on the whole matter, peeps. Candy Wow Star, she needs some help. She really needs some help, peeps. I don't know, somebody try to reach out to her or reach out to somebody who can help her. I don't know, somebody. I don't know, I appreciate that if somebody can help her answer, but may I hear from the streets again, says she no business, she don't want nobody to help her, because when she get the money or people donate to her, she can use it to buy the Diet Coke, you know what I mean, soda, You know what I mean? So yeah, but anyway peeps, no more itching. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all the greatest in the world, and I'll see you again. So let's go and join with your boy. Shoo!
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.